So far, we have identified and added our monthly take-home pay to MoolahPlan. We also added our account names as well. Now we are ready to start adding bills that we plan to or are currently paying from each of the accounts. In previous videos, we created 2 accounts: B of A joint checking and Chase checking. I have gone ahead and organized some bills to begin adding for this demo. Feel free to pause the video and collect your bill information to begin adding yours. You can also watch this video in full. Then replay the video once you have all your bills ready. I will start with the B of A joint checking account. Click Add Monthly Bill. Enter the bill name. Enter the amount of the bill. Then select which bank account it will be drawn from. For this example, I will choose B of A joint checking account. Finally, select a due date. I will mark this for the 1st of the month. Now I will add the remaining bills for B of A joint checking account, then add the bills for Chase checking. Great, we have added all of our bills to MoolahPlan. In the next video, we will learn how MoolahPlan helps you keep up with your bills with confidence.